we are going to make multi holes in a plastic bottle, which will give a very interesting planting. I'm going to show you today. So there is another one. This one is the little hole here. So it will give a little plant from here in a plastic bottle. So with this bottle there is also make a hole. So we'll make plant will be in this way. Plant will be come out from this. So it will be very interesting, as you can see. I'm planting this small bottle here, soil inside it. Now we are going to have it on my garden, Harmony garden. I'm going to make lots of them actually. Here is a big one.